Hello friends, welcome to our channel. The topic of today's video is essay on Drug Free India campaign in English. The headings are preface, the purpose of the campaign, how harmful drug addiction, increasing drug addiction in India and conclusion. Let's start. First of all, we will write a slogan here. The slogan is your future is key, so stay drug free. Preface. Recently, the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment has launched the Drug Free India campaign to rid the youth from drug addiction. The campaign has been launched in 272 districts of the country for the year 2020 to 2021. In view of the increasing drug addiction in the country, this campaign has been started to protect the bright future of Indian youth from the darkness of drug addiction. The purpose of the campaign. The main objective of this campaign is to spread anti-drug public awareness in the selected districts through various community programs as well as by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment to raise funds for the institutions working in drug-free campaign and to prevent drug abuse among the youth. Drug-Free India campaign is to be conducted in schools and colleges. Awareness programs have to focus on identification of drug-dependent populations and treatment facilities. How harmful drug addiction. The person who takes drugs becomes less socially conscious and illegal activities like crime and domestic violence are also encouraged in the society. The use of drugs not only affects the mental balance of the person but he also has to face terrible diseases. Drugs cause loss of both life and money. Our next heading is increasing drug addiction in India. At present, India is the most youthful country in the whole world. But the young generation on which India claims to be progressive on the path of development, that young generation is getting caught in the drug addiction today, which is a matter of great concern. Drug addiction has become so prevalent among the youth. But today that drug addiction has become a necessity for the younger generation, not just for fun. According to government statistics, 70 to 75% of the country's population is drug addict in any form. Punjab is a very sensitive state of drug addiction. According to the report of an NGO, at present consumption of drugs worth rate 75,000 crore is being done in Punjab every year. Every day 2,500 people of our country die due to tobacco. At the same time, alcohol also causes death to so many people every year. Conclusion. This campaign needs to be emphasized to save the future of the country. The country can overcome the challenge of drug addiction only through collective effort and unity. The youth should not waste their golden life by getting stuck in drug addiction. Rather, you should put your energy in positive works as well as in the interest of the country. At last, we will write a slogan again. Drugs cost you more than just money. Stop and say no to drugs. Thank you.